Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make caramel apple fudge. Let's start off with our ingredients. First you need 1 cup of chopped dried apples. So I have this 3.4 ounce Bear brand and it's crispy reds. You could get whatever you want. I saw some cinnamon ones too. And I just crunched them with my hands and it's not quite a cup, but it's close enough. Then you also need 14 ounces of the Dulce De Leche. It just comes like this in like the sweetened condensed milk. It's 14 ounces. Then you need 21 ounces of white chocolate. So I have this. It's 24 ounces of almond bark. I'll just use all of it except for one of the squares. 3 tablespoons of butter. 1 1/4 teaspoons of sea salt. First, I sprayed an 8x8 or 9x9 baking dish with cooking spray and then just put some parchment or wax paper in there. The cooking spray just holds it in place. So now, in a microwavable safe bowl, I am going to heat up the Dulce De Leche, the almond bark, the white chocolate, the butter, and the sea salt. And we're just going to heat that in 30-second increments in the microwave until everything's smooth, so about 3 to 6 minutes. Okay, mine was good after 3 minutes, so next I am going to add in my chopped up dried apples. My apple pieces have been added and I just went ahead and poured it into my prepared pan. Mine did have a lot of liquid on top, so I did blot it with some paper towels. I'm not sure if that's necessary or not. But now we're going to get this into the refrigerator for at least 2 hours before cutting it into pieces. My fudge is all set up, so I went ahead and removed it from the refrigerator, removed it from my parchment paper, and just cut it into tiny pieces. You can cut these as big or as little as you like. And I can't wait to see what Taste Tester thinks. A little piece for Taste Tester, so let's see what he thinks. Hey, Taste Tester.
Hi.
Have a little taste.
Okay. Dana for Mom, that's good.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, come back and see us again. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe.
Bye. Bye.